Hi there. Is this thing recording? I think it's recording. Very good. Very good. Very. This is a part of my life where I just open a camera and just speak into the camera and expose myself to the rest of the world. I'm in that phase. Yeah. Okay, so today I want to talk about something that crossed my mind the other day. A lot of people were asking me, should they create a drawing routine? Everybody was like, should I create a drawing routine? And in my own personal opinion, I say it's gonna be hard for me to keep up with a drawing routine because I don't trust myself. I'm just gonna be honest, bro. I'm being honest. It is hard for me to keep up with a drawing routine because I don't trust myself. I literally don't trust myself, bro. But my advice I would give to a lot of beginner artists out there is just experiment. Allow yourselves to try to make a routine because some people may make a routine and they may follow that routine as easy as possible. I don't trust myself personally, in my own personal experience. I don't trust myself. I may make a routine and I may feel pressure of creating a routine, and then on some days I may feel like I have to force myself to get up even if I don't want to draw, even if I don't want to work. But if I don't create a routine, then I end up being inconsistent and I end up procrastinating. So my advice to all the young fellow artists out there, just experiment. Try to create that routine at first. See how it works. Just see how things work. Experiment. Try to create that routine. If it doesn't work, try like a week. Maybe draw once a day at 6 p.m. Right? Draw a portrait once a day at 6 p.m. I find it really, really hard sometimes for me to dedicate myself to that because sometimes I may wake up and I'm like, I don't want to do it today. On some days I may wake up and I'm like, I really want to do it, but I don't know what to draw. Make a drawing routine. If it doesn't work out for you, then don't. If drawing whenever you feel like drawing is the thing that works out for you best, then just go for it. For me, I think it's just the passion of it. I don't think I need that much of a drawing routine. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm so passionate about it to a point where I just get up and do it. If I don't feel like doing it, I don't force myself. If I procrastinate, I just sit back, I relax. I allow myself to feel that way sometimes. Because it's okay if I'm procrastinating, it's okay if I'm, being inconsistent. But at the end of the day, what matters is never giving up. I'd rather procrastinate for an entire year, but as long as I don't give up at the end of time. So, yeah. Best piece of advice I would give, just go out there, do your thing, and make sure you experiment. And some advice to stay motivated: try new things, experiment. Like I said, experiment, that word is so much power in that word. Try new things. Right? You want to stay motivated. Try drawing with graphite, tomorrow try drawing with a ballpoint pen, tomorrow try drawing with watercolor. Just try new things because that's going to keep you motivated. Do you advise other artists in the comments to create a drawing routine, or is it just a wing it type of deal, or do you just wake up and just say, today I feel it, tomorrow I don't? I want to hear from you guys now. What do you guys think? Drop your opinions in the comments down below.